Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. It is the Lookfantastic Monthly Subscription box and it's for October. Here it is right here. It's in a pretty green two-tone box. I've been really enjoying getting this subscription box. It comes from overseas, from England, and I'm really liking the brands that I'm seeing because it's brands that I don't see here in the States, products that I don't see here in the States. So it's really nice to try different things. And I'm always trying new different things. There are 4 ways in getting this subscription. You can get a 1-month fee of $19 if you want 1 month, but just keep in mind that once that month is over, they will charge you again. So it's not a one-time payment. It is recurring for $19. So if you just want it for 1 box, you may want to make sure that you cancel it the next month. Same with 3 months. For 3 months, it's $18 a month for 3 months. And once that's over, they will still charge you again for 3 months for $18. For 6 months, it's $17 a month. Again, once the 6 months is over, they're going to charge you again $17 a month for 6 months. I got the 12 months, which is $16 a month. So you're saving $3 a month if you want the 1-year subscription. But if you just want it one time for $19, if you like what was in this month's box, you just need to make sure that you cancel it the next month because they will charge you again for that 1 month price. Here in the States, it does take a good 10 to maybe 2 weeks to get it. So you may want to factor that in if you want to give it as a gift or whatnot. And speaking of gifts, this would be a good gift to give. You know, the holidays are coming. If you get the 12 months, $16 for a box of 6 products of makeup worth at least $50, it's not a bad gift. And it's not a bad gift for myself either, you know? All right, well, let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is again in a nice green two-tone box. I've noticed every month it's kind of different, which is really nice. Add some variety in this subscription. And when you open it up, there's a little saying in the lid. Oh, I had it upside down. It says Mawangata. Mawangata? The reflection of moonlight on water. All right, so I guess that's this month's theme. And it comes with a little booklet to let you know what's inside this box. And on the back, every month on the back of this booklet, it gives you a little teaser or a little spoiler of what's going to be in next month. Just one product of what's going to be in next month subscription box. And it looks like it's going to be a Dark Wonder Edit. It's by Mellow Cosmetics. It's a liquid precision pen eyeliner in black. So that's going to be in next month for November. So that'll be nice. And also it comes with a magazine, Elle magazine. And it has Selena Gomez. Isn't she cute on the cover here? I myself do not read the magazine, but I will recycle it and maybe pass it to a doctor's office or dentist's office and put it in their waiting room. All right, here it is right here. It's in a green tissue. And here are the products in this month. All right, first product we have here is by Ahava, the Mineral Body Lotion, which is a really nice brand. It's called Dead Sea Water. Oh, that smells good, actually. It smells clean. I really like that. All right, there you go. First product. Here it's wrapped in bubble wrap. It's by Pixie, and it looks like a blush. Really nice, pretty pinky blush. It's in the shade Beach Rose. Beach Rose. All right, there it is right there. Real pretty pink color. Here we have a tube of Monoskin Night Renewal Complex, which has marine collagen and vitamin E. 30 mils of product in here. It's nice to have a nighttime moisturizing cream, and it's by Monoskin, which is, I've heard of this brand. It's really nice. A rich complex of actives to help smooth and firm the skin while you sleep. Okay. I like anything that would help firm the skin. All right, we have a sheet mask. A Bubble Mask Bio Detox by Talika. If you watch my channel a lot, you know that I love sheet masking. I love sheet mask, mud mask, treatment mask, night mask. So yes, I really do think that that has helped hydrate my skin and just make it look not so old. I have tried on a bubble mask before. It is a rinse-off mask. You put it on and you can kind of feel it fizzing on your face. And you just leave it on and then you rinse it off and you should be good to go with your serums and moisturizers. All right, next product we have is a jar. It's by Prai, P-R-A-I, Ageless Throat and Décolleté Cream. Developed specifically for the throat and décolleté, this luxurious cream helps promote the appearance of firmness and resilience. All right, again, I love anything that will help firm. It does smell good though, it really does. There you go, a white cream. All right, the last product we have is by Dr. Lip, and it's a tint. Elderberry pigment, 100% natural. So you have 8 mils of product in this tube right here. Okay, so it's like a lip balm, I guess. Let me see if I can squeeze some out. It's kind of sticky. Let's see if you can see that there. So it does give you a little bit of a berry tint. All right, and that is it. You have 6 products here. And you know what? Let me look in this book to see what this month's theme is. This month's theme is called Hidden Gems. October, as we start to suffer from post-summer blues, this month's box is all about embracing positive energy and self-care through beauty. Get ready to pamper yourself with 6 amazing products that will not only leave you shining on the outside, but pampered on the inside too. Okay, so in this little book, it does tell you the products and gives you a little bit more explanation of the products that are in this month's subscription box. So that's really helpful to see. Because some of these brands I haven't heard of before or haven't seen, especially, you know, this one here, Prai, P-R-A-I. Haven't seen this brand before, so I'm going to read up on it here. And next month's will be Dark Wonder. Alright, you guys, that is my unboxing for the Lookfantastic subscription box for the month of October. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.